Hello, welcome back guys to my channel. This video is specifically for people that have actually done their Pi KYC. If you have passed your KYC and you don't know the next thing to do, this video is for you. If you have passed your KYC and you don't know the next thing to do, how to move your Pi from your mining balance to your Pi wallet, so you can be able to sell or to use it to do whatever thing that you want to do with it. So this is just a simple guide. I have already done mine, but I will just show you the steps on what to do. First of all, go to Play Store, make sure that your Pi is up to date, and make sure that you have downloaded Pi browser. Okay, Pi browser, and if you have it already, make sure it is up to date. Okay, so when those two things are in place, the next thing you need to do is to click on mainnet info. Okay, everyone's Pi environment should be like this. Click on mainnet info. Okay, when you click on that place, you see these 4 steps. Now the next thing you need to do is to commit your lockup configuration. You need to click on this place and lock up, put in some lockup percentages and the amount of time, okay, that it will stay. Me, I have done mine. If you can follow me and do mine, or you can do your own, but the lengthier you stretch it, the more you have a higher mining reward. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to click on mainnet checklist, which is the first one here. This, you need to click on this one. This is where everything will be happening. Now the first thing you see, number 1, it is from number 1 to number 8. So number 1 say download Pi browser. By now you must have downloaded Pi browser. Download Pi browser, set it up, copy your seed phrase. Make sure you store your seed phrase in a place that it will be safe, okay, because anyone that sees it can use it to steal all your Pi. Copy your seed phrase, save it. Okay, now when you have done that, you can activate your fingerprint as well. You can activate fingerprint for you to be able to use fingerprint to log in. You can be able to do all those things in your Pi browser. If let's say, if I should take us to Pi browser, okay, mine is already logged in. Let me just click on this place and show us something. So as you can see this place now, when I click on wallet, now at this point you need to set up your own in a way that you can either log in with seed phrase or log in with fingerprint. Okay, so me, I like logging in with fingerprint because it saves time. So I don't need to copy seed phrase every time and be pasting here. So while it is logging in, let's go back to this place. Now, number 1, download Pi browser, set it up very well. When that is done, they say create Pi wallet. So by now you must have downloaded the Pi browser, set it up. Setting it up is creating the wallet. Okay, setting it up is copying out your seed phrase, keeping it safe somewhere, and then completing some other setups that are there. Now number 3, they say confirm your wallet. The next thing you need to do is they say you confirm that your mainnet balance will be transferred to the address below. So you need to copy your receiving address. You need to come back to this place. Okay, you click on receive. When you click on receive, you click on copy. When you click on copy, you come back to this place. You know why my own is showing green like this is because I have done all these things. By default, your own will not be showing green. Now when you come back to this place, you click on this number 3, paste your address that you have copied there and confirm it. Now as you're doing it, it will be turning green. Now they say commit lock to lockup configuration, which is what I showed you earlier, that you need to go and lock up your Pi for certain duration of time. Okay, by now you must have done it as well. It will show green. Now they say submit your KYC application, and before now you must have done your KYC. That's why I say this is for those that have completed their KYC. Your KYC must be completed. Now they say wait for result. Your result must have shown that you have passed KYC. All this place will turn green. Okay, now they say sign acknowledgement to receive your tokens. So I think you need to copy that your seed phrase, that your 14 21 seed, these words, something like that. Copy it, the seed phrase that you store somewhere, you need to copy it and come to this number 7 and paste it. Or you also put in your receiving address, something like that. When you have done that, the number 8 is the last one, then you sign. You click on I acknowledge. Okay, now when you do that, they say you will be automatically added to the migration queue if you have finalized the steps. So at this point, there is nothing else you will do. The Pi core team will now automatically migrate your Pi to the mainnet, and this thing will not happen the same day. It has to be the next day. When you open your Pi, you now have to come to this place now and start waiting. When you open this place now, the next day, you will see that your Pi have actually landed in this place. And mind you that everything you mine will not come to this place. As you can see, in my mining account I have 4,000 plus, but here you're seeing 503. Although I've made too many transactions. I've used my Pi to buy so many things, so the number have actually reduced. So not everything will be migrated to this place, because your downlines, if your downlines have not done their KYC, the reward you got from your downlines will not be added except they pass their KYC. You understand? And then when you come to this place, there is going to be a 7 days. When your Pi appear here, it's going to take you. You can't do anything with it for after 7 days. Now after 7 days, you will now come and click on this migration here. You see where I clicked migration. Now when you click on migration, you will see how many you will be able to migrate that will now appear on your available balance. Okay, you are seeing my available balance. Now when this thing comes into this place, you are seeing that I have 503 Pi, but when you come to my available balance, you are seeing that I have 502.39. That's because there are still some Pi that are still locked up. Okay, some of them are still locked up. You can't use it till the time that you locked it. So the ones that have reached the time, as in the time duration that you locked it, you can now be able to use it as of that time. So that is the meaning of it. Okay, so these are the things that you need to know. Now when you have migrated to your available balance, you are now ready to spend your Pi, either to sell or to buy things with it. So I hope this video will help you guys to understand one or two things about these things. So if you have any question, you can ask on the comment box, or you come to your WhatsApp group and ask, which I will drop the link in the description box. No spamming. We are covering other mining projects there as well, so you can come to the WhatsApp group and ask, or you ask a question in the comment box. So for now, thank you guys and have a wonderful day.